It's just giving. It's giving what it's supposed to give this time. Well, not really. It was supposed to give something else. We're just gonna title this Voluminous Wash and Go Gone Wrong.
For what you really are, baby girl, you are a star.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, Mikaela Space. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get my Voluminous Wash and Go.
Wrong answer, forehead.
So if y'all are interested, keep watching. So I'm starting off on wet hair. I just washed and deep conditioned. Oh, peep the new background. I'm just trying this out real quick. I want y'all to see my hair more clearly in videos because I feel like the red was kind of distracting. I don't know. And I also have a purple one, so I'll be trying that and just let me know which one y'all like better. So yeah. Oh, my hair smells so freaking good. If y'all tried that Mielle rosemary and mint, I think that's what it is, deep conditioner, let me know if y'all think it smells as good as I think it smells. So the products that I'm going to use today, the coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie. This is like a styling cream, and I'm going to use the coconut and hibiscus curling gel souffle. I chose these products, one, because I still want my hair defined, but I don't want it like super molded where my hair won't move and it stays flat. So because I'm going to use the styling cream, that adds a little bit more definition than just a regular leave-in conditioner that I would typically use. And then the curling gel souffle, it defines, but it's a soft hold, so my hair is able to move around and things like that. So first I'm just going to start from the back, and I'm going to do pretty thick chunks because, like I said, I don't want this to be super molded where my hair don't move, and detangle my way from the back to the front. I'm just gonna detangle one side first. I do my hair in section by section, and I only use this comb to detangle no matter the hairstyle. It's just what works for me. So now I'm going to add some styling cream. I heated this up for about 45 seconds. Like I said in a previous video, heating up my products helps the product penetrate my hair strand a lot easier than a cold product. So I'm just pretty much painting the product on my hair. And then I'm going to press it through first, like this. And then I'm going to add some more to the end. Paint it on, like I said. Press it in, then I'm going to start raking. Then I'm going to take the curling gel souffle. Ah, no. This is messy, so be prepared to have to clean up a lot. I'm gonna take the curling gel souffle. Whoa, I've never had a batch this like slimy. I mean, that's good because that's how it's supposed to be, but I don't know how to work with it in my hands. So I'm just gonna make sure it's like covering my hand, then I'm gonna rake this through. My ends are the frizziest part, so I want to make sure it's going through my ends to kind of smooth it out. Not super defined, but defined enough to where when I do my last steps, it will yield the results that I'm looking for. So I'm just gonna do that for the rest of my head. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like, completely tangled and all the product in. Like I said, these products are messy, but the result is worth it, in my opinion, for my hair. This stuff is really the goat. Okay, so now I'm going to shake my hair in a back and forth, side to side motion. So what this does, my hair is clumped together. By shaking it, I'm separating these clumps. Oh, this makes sense. I'm separating these clumps of kinks into thinner strands of kinks, if that makes sense. It may be a little frizzy, but this is how I'm gonna get that volume that I'm looking for.
Wrong answer, forehead.
So, I wish I had like an example for a smaller piece. Like if I shake this, ooh, you see how it's separating, but you can still see the definition? That's what's gonna happen to my whole head when I go back and forth, side to side. So I'm gonna do that for maybe 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, let's do it here. So now I'm going to hit it with a blow dryer. My head is going to be down and I'm pretty much just gonna put the blow dryer around my hair like this. This is gonna help with more separating. It's gonna cut my drying time in half, and it's gonna remove some of this white residue that I have in my hair. So if I'm air drying, I can go out the house and my hair doesn't have a white cast on it. I'm using this Conair blow dryer. I'm gonna put it on high and warm. Okay, as y'all can see, my hair is a little bit bigger.
Wrong answer, forehead.
I didn't even blow dry it that long because I'm not going nowhere. But I do have a little bit of white residue. But yeah, my hair is bigger. But I'm gonna come back later in the day and show y'all how big it is.
Wrong answer, forehead.
Let me tie this in the back because I don't want this hair in my face. Show y'all the back. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I'm not finna hold y'all. This was let me teach y'all how to do a voluminous wash and go gone wrong. I don't know why it looks so defined. I really don't know. So if y'all want a defined wash and go with that routine that I showed you. I don't know what happened. Maybe my hair is just getting longer. I did 2 smaller sections, but this is what my hair is looking like right now. We're just gonna title this Voluminous Wash and Go Gone Wrong. Yeah, like my hair looks beautiful right now. I'm not even gonna cap. It looks really good. Shiny, defined. It don't look as big as I was wanting it to be. Or that I was trying to tell y'all how to get it. My hair looks really long right now. It's dry, it's 100% dry. I don't know what happened. Usually my hair is big. I really don't know what happened, y'all. I'm perplexed. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed the video, comment down below. A real tutorial will be coming up of how to get a voluminous wash and go on the first day. Like I said, I don't know what I did. But if y'all enjoyed the video, Comment anything else you would like to see from me down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press that notification bell. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.